Carboxylic acids. Carbon compounds containing a carboxylic functional group are called carboxylic acids. Some higher members of aliphatic carboxylic acids, that is carbon 12 to 18, are known as fatty acids. They occur in natural fats as esters of glycerol. Preparation from acid derivatives. All acid derivatives like amides, acid halides, esters, acid anhydrides on hydrolysis give carboxylic acids. Here Z can be NH2, X, that is Cl, Bri, or OR dash, RCOH, etc. That on hydrolysis on dilute HCl or dilute NaOH give carboxylic acids. From alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, when treated with strong oxidizing agent like H2CrO4, chromic acid, acidic or alkaline KMnO4, gives benzoic acid. When we consider toluene and treat it with KMnO4 plus KOH mixture on heating, it gives rise to COK. On hydrolysis, it gives carboxylic acid. From nitriles. Nitriles are hydrolyzed to amides and then to acids in the presence of H plus or OH minus. As a catalyst, the mild reaction conditions are used to stop the reaction at milder stage. From Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents react with the carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, to form salts of carboxylic acid, which give corresponding carboxylic acids after acidification with a mineral acid. Physical properties. Carboxylic acids exist in the form of dimer due to hydrogen bonding. As compared to aldehydes, ketones, and hydrocarbons, carboxylic acids have higher boiling point due to their intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Chemical properties. The reactions of carboxylic acids are classified as follows. The carboxylic acids evolve hydrogen gas with electropositive metals and form salts. Carboxylic acids dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate anions and hydronium ions. The substituents may affect the stability of the conjugate base and also affect the acidity of carboxylic acids. Firstly, the electron withdrawing groups stabilize the carboxylate ion and strengthens the acid. The electron donating group destabilizes the carboxylate anion and weakens the acid. Strong acids have higher value of Ka, hence lower value of pKa. The decreasing order of acidity of few acids are CF3COH is greater than CCl3COH, CHCl2COH greater than NO2CH2COH, and so on. In case of aromatic carboxylic acids, the more is the minus R effect, more is the acidic nature. Reactions involving cleavage of COH bond. Formation of anhydride. When 2 moles of carboxylic acid are taken and heated in the presence of H plus and P2O5, it gives anhydride. Esterification. Carboxylic acid plus alcohol on hydrolysis gives ester plus water. The reaction with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. When a carboxylic acid is treated with PCl5, it gives RCOCl, acid chloride, POCl3 and HCl. The most favorable reaction in this is with SOCl2 since it liberates 2 gases. Reaction increases in the forward direction. The reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. When carboxylic acid is treated with ammonia, it gives ammonium acetate and on heating it gives acetamide. When we take a carboxylic acid and react with it with an ammonia derivative and the water is removed, we get the respective Phthalic acid, reaction with ammonia. Phthalic anhydride, ammonium phthalate, that on heating gives rise to phthalimide. Reactions involving carboxylic acid group. Reduction. The carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohols by LiLH4, B2H6. B2H6 does not easily reduce the functional groups such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. NaBH4 does not reduce the carboxyl group. Decarboxylation. Carboxylic acids lose carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbons when their sodium salts are heated with soda lime in a ratio of 3:1. Substituent reactions. Halogenation. Carboxylic acids having an alpha hydrogen are halogenated at the alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halo carboxylic acids. This is called Hell-Voland-Zelinski reaction, that is HVZ reaction. Ring substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acids undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. The carboxylic group shows -R effect, therefore it acts as a deactivating or a meta-directing group. It does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because the carboxylic group is deactivating and the catalyst AlCl3 gets bonded to the carboxylic group. Uses of carboxylic acid. Formic acid is used in leather tanning, textile dyeing, and etc. Acetic acid is used in the manufacture of rayon, plastics, rubber, and silk, and in cooking too. Benzoic acid and its salts are used in urinary antiseptics. Thank you.